common problem that we see in our office is chronic neck pain. A lot of times my patients have no understanding of why it's there, they're frustrated with it, and they deal with it on a daily basis. So today I'm going to give you a quick, easy assessment to help you find a common problem with people that's kind of a secret little culprit that causes a lot of neck pain for a lot of people. So this test can be done on the floor, it can be done in your bed, you just need to lie flat. It's called the deep neck flexor endurance test. I do it on almost all my new patients that have neck pain, and essentially we're testing out some of the stabilizing and important muscles of the neck to see if they're strong enough to do their job throughout the day. If they are weak, a lot of times they're going to cause neck pain that can become chronic for folks. So for this test, you're just going to lie flat on your back. And in this position, we're just going to relax our shoulders. And the first thing we want to do is tuck the chin straight down. So the chin's just retracting. And then what I typically do is have my patients keeping their chin retracted, lift their head about 1 inch to 2 inches off the table. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm doing much, but then what I'll do is I'll place my hand on the table below the patient, and what we're looking for is to either somebody to come up, and their inability to keep their chin tucked, as they come up, their head will drift forward, that chin will protract or come forward, or they can do that, and as they come up, within 10 seconds they're really shaking. You'll see their chin really vibrating and just shaking all over the place, or the head will drop back down into my hand pretty quickly. So what is a passing test for this test? Typically for a male, you should be able to hold this test for about 40 seconds without failing. For women, that's typically about 30 seconds. But a lot of my patients can't even hold it 20 seconds. And that's actually what the literature shows, is that most people that a lot of people that suffer with neck pain can't even hold this for 20 seconds. And what it points out is they have deep neck flexor weakness. And the good news is the test actually becomes the exercise. So what you can do is just lie on your back and hold that position like you're looking up at your toes from that position, keeping the chin tucked for a few seconds, and go straight back down, and then do it again. And you can do 4 or 5 repetitions of that for a few seconds. And if you do that a couple times a day, over time you'll notice your endurance and those deep neck flexors improve. And the beauty of that is there's studies out there that show just doing that exercise alone and doing nothing else actually can help decrease your neck pain. So there it is, a hidden culprit. It's easy to assess for. It's called the deep neck flexor endurance test. Give this a shot. If you fail it, turn it into the exercise and it'll help you a lot. Talk to you soon.